Picture a scenario. Your immune system mysteriously goes rogue and starts killing your own body cells. This is autoimmune disease and can lead to all sorts of problems from arthritis, asthma, to diabetes. Now, in the middle of this mystery, millions of DNA mutations arises as potential suspects. Most are probably innocent, but some might be the culprit. And finding the culprit mutation causing the disease is crucial, right, if you want to reverse their effect and develop a cure. This is what my research is all about. So without further ado, let's gather our clues. Clue number 1, the genetic culprit. Our DNA is like a book of recipes, contains all the instructions or genes that makes you you. But here's a plot twist. Sometimes there are typos in this book, or mutation. If we hit a crucial recipe, our body function go haywire. Autoimmunity has a genetic component, and we know this because it tends to run in families. But with around 3 billion letters in your DNA, finding the culprit mutation is a daunting task. So we need to narrow our search down. And this brings us to our second clue, the suspects. To find the suspects, we gathered DNA samples from thousands of healthy individuals and thousands of autoimmune patients. Then we started scanning their DNA one by one, looking for which mutations tend to occur more frequently in the patient group. And indeed, we found hundreds of mutations statistically associated with autoimmunity. But now the plot thickens. Many suspects. Who's the real mastermind? And this is where our next step comes in, the interrogation. See, not all mutations are created equal. Some are more relevant than the others. So to expose the true culprit, we interrogated each one of them and tried to understand what effect they might have on our body. Good news is, we found around 10 mutations that changed the way our immune system behaved, triggering an inflammatory response, turning our own defenses against us. Exactly what we're looking for. So, we cracked the case. We found which DNA mutations might cause autoimmunity. And this can revolutionize treatment for diseases like arthritis or asthma by targeting those key biological processes affected by the mutations we found. Exciting, right? Finally, our 3-minute story is over. Now it's time to go back and write our next and final chapter, the quest for a cure.